Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You've opened the workbook and chosen the sheet you'll modify. That's essential. First, select the exact cells or the entire sheet if you want a global change. Make the choice now between cell fills versus a sheet background image because the steps differ. Once selected, look to the home ribbon where the Fill Color paint bucket lives. That's your primary tool. If you prefer a patterned or image background instead, we'll switch to page layout next. Make the initial selection before continuing. Now apply the color. With cells selected, click Home, then the Fill Color icon and pick a swatch. Use more colors to enter RGB or HEX for brand accuracy. For gradients or patterns, open Format cells, choose the Fill tab, and set pattern style and foreground/background colors. If you want an image behind everything, go to Page Layout and choose Background. Note that image backgrounds aren't printable and behave differently than fills. Once done, inspect adjacent cells to ensure finish by saving your workbook and consider saving as a template if you'll reuse the background. To apply to other sheets, use Format Painter or repeat selection and fill steps. If something looks off, clear formats from the range and reapply a simpler color to isolate the issue. Make sure grid lines or print settings aren't hiding your changes. Background images won't print, so use fills for printable color. If colors shift, check Workbook Theme and use exact RGB values to maintain consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.